In this lesson, we'll explore how to add and edit tariff rate schedules in Installer Toolkit. Setting the tariff rate schedules is an optional step that can be completed in the office or in the field with the Installer Toolkit. Setting a single rate schedule or a buyback can be done within the app if you choose, or it can be done in the office where the rate information is readily available. This video will show you the process. In this video, we'll look at the Tariff Editor, an optional step in the system creation process. Once you have added system details and number of devices in the system, you may configure tariff information for your system as desired. Tap Tariff to display both the rate schedule and the buyback option. Select either single rate or time of use from the drop-down menu, and then tap Configure to add the rate information for your selection. For single rate, you can enter a universal rate, use the checkbox to add different rates based on time of week, weekend, or weekday, or tap the plus button to add rates based on the season and the month of the year. Select the season and month from the drop-down menu. You can enter multiple seasonal rate combinations as applicable. Once you have entered your desired rate information, tap the Save icon on the top right. Note that if you tap the back button before saving changes, the app will prompt to confirm your choice. Selecting time of use from the drop-down menu will display a visual representation of different rates during different time periods throughout the day. Similar to single rate configuration, you can add a universal configuration for every day, different configurations based on weekday or weekend, and different configurations based on the season and month of the year. To make changes, just tap the plus button. You can also make grid and battery behavior selections specific to your installation. Each time of use configuration consists of a base rate and other individual rates applicable for a specific time of day. Select the Force Charge option if you want to charge your batteries during a specific period of the day. Add new time rates and time periods based on your known grid rates. If you have an interconnection agreement, which allows you to sell surplus energy to the utility, you can configure the details using the Buyback option. After the rate schedule is configured, you can override the same values in the Buyback option, if applicable. To do this, tap Copy to Buyback, and tap Yes to override current settings, or No to leave settings as is. You can also choose to ignore the Buyback option if it is not applicable to the system.